In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are unable to receive text messages on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the first thing you need to try is open the settings app. In here, you will need to tap on connections. Now here try enabling the airplane mode toggle. Now simply wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. So this will refresh your phone's network connection and hopefully fix any problems with that. However, if changing the network mode doesn't help, what you can do is long press on the Messages app icon. Depending on whether you are using Google Messages or Samsung Messages, simply long press on the app and then tap this info icon right here. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. Now here tap the clear cache option. Now tap the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. This won't remove any of your text messages, so there's no reason to worry about this. After that, open the Messages app and see if the issue is resolved. If you are unable to receive messages from a specific person, you can open the phone app, tap the three dot icon and then select settings. Here go to block numbers. Now make sure you haven't accidentally blocked that person. If you have, simply tap on this minus icon to unblock them and you should start receiving text messages from that person. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to open the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on general management. In here, scroll down and then tap on reset. Here tap the reset mobile network settings and then finally select reset settings to confirm. Once you have done that, simply restart your Samsung Galaxy phone and you should be able to receive text messages again. However, if you continue to experience problems, you can try switching between Google Messages and Samsung Messages app. So if you are using Google Messages, simply switch to Samsung Messages and see if it works. Similarly, if you are using Samsung Messages, simply try switching to Google Messages and it will work.